Welcome again in fourth video of the series of chi-square sums with solutions of MPC6 Statistics for Psychology by Jagdish Angre. Please subscribe our channel to catch every single update on time. This is the sum, December 2016. Compute chi-square for the following data. Data is given in two categories, males and females, and answers given correct, incorrect, and numbers are given accordingly. First step, as usual, we'll do in tabular format, and we'll do the sum of all the rows and all columns. Here it is very easy sum. So 50 plus 60 is 110, 40 plus 30 is 70, 40 plus 50 is 90 again here, and 60 plus 30 is again 90. So grand total is 180. And next step is calculate the expected value. Here we use calculator and do all the calculations using calculator over here. So first row, first column, observed value is 50 and expected value we need to calculate. Here is already given 55, but we will check how it come and whether it is correct or not. So row total is 110 into column total is 90 divided by grand total 180, that is 180, equals to 55. Here 55. Same way here 60. It is observed value and expected value we have to calculate. Start with the row total into column total divided by grand total. 55 again. Here is 55. Here also it's 55. Despite of the observed values are different, but the expected values are same. Moving on to next cell. This is second row and first column. Second row total is 70 into first column total is 90 divided by grand total 180 gives us 35. Here is 35. Moving on to next. Row total 70 into column total 90 divided by 180. 35 again. This way we got the all expected values and step 2 and 3 is completed. Now next. Step number 4. Calculate chi-square number using the formula sum of into bracket observed minus expected square divided by expected, means difference between observed and expected values square divided by expected value, and all the cells values sum is chi-square. Here is one more tip is given, that conclusion statement: if chi-square value is less than critical value, then null hypothesis is accepted, otherwise it is rejected, or alternative hypothesis is accepted. Let's see the calculation. Here observed value is 50 and expected value is 55. 50 minus 55 equal to minus 5. Square of minus 5 is 25 divided by expected value 55. 0.4545 and 45. We had taken 4 digit 0.4545. Next cell, 60 minus 55 equal to 5. Square of 5 is 25 divided by expected is 55. Same value. Moving on to next. Expected value is 35 over here and observed value is 40. This time we do something differently. That expected value minus observed value equals to minus 5 whole square divided by expected value 0.714285 means when we round it up then 0.7143. Same here, because the values, the difference between both of them is same. We check and calculate again. 30 minus 35 or 35 minus 30, anything can be done. Like in last step we have done already reverse. Divided by expected, that is 35. Same value, and we total all to get chi-square number. We need to add all the individual numbers. Let's start with cell number 1, that is 0.4545 plus 0.4545 again plus 0.7143 plus 0.7143, 2.3376. The final chi-square number we got here. The critical value is not given in the number. It means we need not to draw the conclusion statement over here. Otherwise we can refer x table to get the value, and we compare value, and value, if our calculated value is less than the table value, then null hypothesis will be accepted, otherwise it will be rejected. The next sum, this is a tricky sum. It is nowhere mentioned that you have to do chi-square over here. In earlier examples and earlier sums, everywhere it was clearly mentioned, while here in June 2017 paper there is nothing mentioned like you have to use chi-square for the solution of this sum. But the data is given in the categories and replies in the groups, and critical value is also given in two levels with 1% and 5%. Pause the video, see this example carefully and solve yourself, and we will check in next video. Thank you for watching.